Greetings from Hershey, Pennsylvania. I just arrived at Crossroads Antique Mall. Let's go in and see what they got. Absolutely beautiful antique cranberry footed bowl. It's this Bullicante. Insane thing. God, that's amazing. $3.25 on that. I'm gonna go a different way. I'm kind of excited to be here. I haven't been here in a while. This vendor always has such good prices. Like, look at this pink milk glass for $5. And then here, that almost looks like Viking. $9 on that. That's a good buy. Cute little bird planter. $6.50. Those glasses in there are really fun. Oh my gosh, how did I miss this owl picture? Made in Japan, $6.50. And I'm kind of into this Pyrex sugar bowl. That's only $8. Okay, but look at this absolute weirdo. $3. He's coming with us. That's so spectacular. This is kind of an unusual paperweight. Definitely antique, $65 on that. Nice Bristol glass. Lots of moon glow. That's a nice paperweight. Looks like maybe Chinese. Yeah, definitely Chinese. I'll leave that there. And a brass cat. $17.50. Not crazy about it. Check out this booth. In the meantime, there's somebody in my favorite one. Does that say $100? Interesting. Seeing some nice stuff, but nothing that's really popping out to me. Over here, I feel like the prices are really good in this booth too. Yeah, so this is the booth that I really like here. Cats are fun, $4.50, made in Japan. And then this one, USA Pottery, $4.50. I think I'll take that one too. Look at the wiener dogs on chain. $6.50. That's a great deal. All right, I need both hands for this. Making my way back. Nice collection of salts there. But this cranberry bowl, that's really pretty. $15 on that. That's a pretty good deal. I wonder if there's uranium. No, there's not. Sometimes there is. It looked a little too thick to be the version I was thinking of. And then over here, some fun holiday items. I like the little heart vase. And then check these cats out, 1980s. $45 on the pair, though. Some more critters back here. Goofy little hound dog. He's got a repaired leg. And then the poodle, made in Japan, $3.50. I'll take that one. I absolutely love this tray up here. Look at the graphic on that. Gosh, it weighs 100 pounds. Karen Howell pottery tray, $100. Really great graphic on that. Oh, I love the little souvenir candy dot purse. $36 on that. And then over here, carnival glass. Gosh, I can't believe this paperweight's still here. I think this thing is so pretty. $68, no discount. Oh, I love that so much. This is a fun booth. I like the Kokeshi jar down there. Little heart-shaped at the top uranium dish. That's cute. Look at this huge agro agate. That one's $45. I remember these Murano birds. One's repaired. And then down here, nothing as grand as those. Oh my gosh, how cute is this display? The bigger head base is at $70. She's at $52. Looks like cotton candy. It's this ashtray that really does it for me. And this is amazing. I haven't seen one of these in forever. The jars, that one's at $200 though, so I won't be taking that with us. Yeah, really cute display in this booth. Another Cambridge pink milk glass, $27 on that. The decanter set is really fun. That's at $45. I love the contrast. And then in here, I love the Fenton perfume, but check out the Murano cap behind it. That one's at $75. And this gosh, the iridescent salt. I saw that last time. That's so pretty. And then the owls are fun. I'm more into that, like, kind of peachy, iridescent handkerchief face. Now, look at the Bullicante paperweight. That one's at $200. And then some fun Holt Howard design Christmas stuff. I love all the cats and dogs in this one, especially that. Royal Copenhagen. $120 though. The owl behind it is pretty awesome. Now this is another booth. I usually get lucky and I already see something. 2 things I'm gonna grab. Wow, 3 things. Look at the fat. Okay, yeah, we're gonna need a key to St. Clair's. Really pretty. I love the Murano Millefiore. That one's at $35, but look at the faceted one behind it. Now the one in the way back on the right looks like an import, but the others are pretty fantastic. And look at this, says Stangle Dish. That's super fun. Oh man, yeah, no, those are really pretty. The faceted one is insane though. And then here, I'm also looking at these little Limoges trinket boxes at $14 each. And then let's see what's on this shelf before. Look at this Murano, 25 on that one. That's really pretty. Make sure it has no bruises. I'll take that. What is this one? I think that might be some kind of import. And I see a little bruise on it. This looks interesting. Yeah, this one's really pretty. I'll take that. And then here, these are so fun for the little lamps. Kind of hoping if I hang out here long enough, the key guy will walk by again. I feel like I'm almost in rotation. So funny. Nice shiny pottery. That's only $5. And then the Portuguese, I'm assuming, 15 on that. Now, I got the big faceted one as well as the little ones. I feel like I just had one like that, and I have 2 St. Clair's right now. But, like, look at these amazing Russian lacquered boxes. There's some really spectacular ones back there. The one for 25 and the one for 45 behind it are definitely my favorites. Really gorgeous. Really good prices, too. Some more uranium glass, little mushroom, $150 on that. This is a fun booth. Like this compote, whole pottery, fun shape and color. What is this? Murano, that's gorgeous, $38. Hand blown glass question mark. I'm not really sure what that is either. Really pretty though, 38, I think. I don't think I could get much more out of that. It's this looks like Bennington maybe. Is it? No. Victoria Little's John ceramic bird, 35. Really fun look to it. It kind of reminds me of like the peace bird. Kind of hard to get back. I hate these stands, I tell you. I don't even know why I ever pick up anything in these stands. I'll never get it back. And speaking of pink milk glass, look at the little fan base. This is probably going to be expensive. 35 actually. That's not too bad. I've seen those for crazy prices out recently. I kind of like how chaotic this booth is. What's this bracelet? Not exactly what I wanted it to be. Really nice faceted antique Chinese, if I'm not mistaken. And then the jewelry booth is always fun. Oh my gosh, this though. Check out the head vases. $135 firm on her. I think that this is the same one that's been traveling about this antique mall for some time. $30. It's a great price for a collector. A little close for me. Otherwise, I would totally get that. I love that kitschy cat style. And that stuff is getting harder and harder to find. The jewelry booth is usually a good one. Like this enamel over copper brooch, that's only $5. That's fun. And speaking of head vases, look at the Napco duck. $39 on that though. A little close. Probably about what I'd get out of that as well. Speaking of kitschy cat, look at this planter. Oh my god, that is so cute. Lego Japan. How much is it though? That's the question. $20. A little close. I can make a couple bucks off of it, but maybe not enough to justify. Another really nice display here. I like this pottery vase. Some nice celluloid mirrors and such. The heart paperweight is nice. 25 on that. Absolutely beautiful Murano Millefiore necklace. I love that kind of turquoise undertone in that one. 65 on it though, about retail. Some great holiday kitchen here, all kind of where it needs to be. That head base is at 125. Really desirable one. A little bit of paint loss on the berries, but that's pretty great to see out and about. I never see stuff like that anymore. Some fun carnival celluloid dolls, but it's actually the decanter set back there, the check egg. So neat. It opens up and then it's got little shot glasses in it. Hard to find complete in good condition. Now back here, a really great Italian rooster decanter. And then here, this looks like Bristol almost. That's so pretty. The dog's pretty great though. $11. And then here's some really great Lefton Owls. $33.29. That one's repaired, $20. Yeah, all a little close for me. Really awesome Vaseline and uranium glass. I love that bowl. 3-footed. Great color to it. Finally got this booth to myself. I love this booth, and I'm sure you can see why. It's super packed in there. This looks Japanese, maybe. Oh, gosh. Yeah, I'm assuming that's a Japanese import. Really fun shape on that. 25. Probably a little close. Oh, my gosh, look at the George Briard Santa Claus plate. That's only $15. I feel like that's a steal. If I remember correct, I know I looked it up recently and I can't remember if the George Briard Santa was crazy price high or shockingly low. I want to say crazy price high. I love this booth, how it's color coordinated, but my favorite part about it is this case. Some really amazing, look, that's amazing. That's European, but they have all kinds of stuff. Look at the Max Factor cat. Some great nesting dolls. And then over here, they have all the teeny tinies. I think I'm gonna pull out a couple things in here and get a price. One is this little art glass green vase. And then the other is the Murano, as well as this European looking vase. Now I did grab the miniature Gibson vase. This one was at $30, which I feel like is a really decent price. It probably could have made a couple bucks off of it, but starting to feel a little shopped out, and the Murano was at $68. Again, a little close. The Gibson mini vase, though, I love a good mini vase. Oh my gosh, look, it's an old Mutt and Jeff comic. You never see, at least I never see Mutt and Jeff. So fun. I have this crazy 1930s. I can't remember if it's 19 teens or 1930s. 1930s makes more sense. Mutt and Jeff, Boston newspaper paperweight. That's really neat. This looks like it's almost Meissen. 39. It might be Dresden. Yeah, Dresden, not Meissen. Really pretty. Intricate flowers on that. Look at this. This is a different vase. I'm really into the display in this case. Love the anthropomorphic apples. But it's this vase back here that really caught my attention. It looks crayonic, definitely antique. It says Lotes ? It might actually be. I can't see the base on it. Either way, it's at $125. And then look at this little heart-shaped dish. That's so neat. Another great day out here in Hershey. I got some awesome stuff. I love the Gibson mini vase. That's probably my favorite. And I'm gonna get on the road and head back home, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.